You want to open presents, baby?
When this is all over, okay, then pick one.
She's gonna open presents.
No, pick only one of
Park, she's gonna open her presents
That
right
one.
now. Hey, open it.
it.
Oh, she's opened it!
Open another one.
Open another
Let
one.
me see, baby.
Here, let me put these in
Oh. Help. Okay,
Don't open all of it for her, Park. Just help her.
okay, I'll just open this card. What is it? What is it?
I love your enthusiasm, bud.
So cute.
What is it, Faye? What is it, yours? It's a baby.
What would you need a baby for?
That's Grandma C. Wow.
Let me see, baby.
That's awesome, Faye.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, make sure you get all that wrapping on. What would you need that baby
Wow.
for?
Next one.
What would you need her for?
Oops. Park, can you slide off?
Hey, Parker.
Here you go.
Mom, maybe you should give him what
Oh,
you
I've
got.
got him. Park, I have a present for you. Is that pretty?
Oh, Park, isn't that nice of Grandma?
Sit down and
It's another Sonic. Wait, I have one of this.
You have that one?
I do.
You have that?
don't you
that
need
one?
another one?
Ah,
Whoa, let me see.
It's awesome. Well, we can go exchange it.
Wow.
We'll go to Toys R Us and
Why
you can
don't
get a
we do
different
that
one.
today, Park? Why don't we all go to Toys R
I
Us?
get another one.
We can go to Toys R Us
Because
That's awesome, Pay.
Parker,
Parker, look, she's showing you.
Paisley, why would you need a daddy doll?
I got that for me.
Why
No.
do you need it? Where are you going to play with it at?
Yeah, don't.
Where are you going to play with it?
These are toys.
Those are toys.
No. Would you play with them at Toys R Us? These are mine.
What are you going to do with them, Pay? Where are you going to play with them at?
Park, come sit right over here, buddy. You can open another one?
I can't.
Over there. Honey. Open another present.
Oh.
Oh, what is it, baby?
What is it?
Wow.
Thanks for showing me.
Okay, keep going.
Are we gonna exchange this?
If you have to ask Mom and Daddy.
Mom and
How
Dad,
about we go
can we
exchange it
exchange
after brunch,
this?
Yeah, we'll do that after brunch, okay?
What?
We'll do it after brunch, after we go eat.
We're
Okay.
gonna go eat breakfast, Park, and then you can do it.
Hey,
Why
hey,
do you
don't
need a bed?
complain or we won't do it.
Do you have that?
Oh, wow, Pay.
Then we'll go exchange this one too. So here, hold on to that.
That's so
Nope, that's
cool.
Park, what do you
So
tell
we'll go
Grandma?
exchange it.
Hey,
tell
yeah, what
Grandma?
do you tell Grandma?
Thank you.
Park.
Parker.
Okay, give me one.
That was a very enthusiastic thank you.
Park,
Get up and give Grammy loves.
you
That
can
was
go get something else, honey.
go give
Why are
Grammy
you
loves.
disappointed? It's not even your birthday today.
That was very, very nice of Grandma.
But
to think of you when
will
it's not
be-
on your day.
Like just really long.
It's
really
not going to
what?
be long. It's
Now
not going to be
I
long. You need to
will
give
look
Grandma love. Do you know
and
how much
that-
Grandma loves you and how much you put into that?
Yeah.
You need to get up and give her